Here's a frozen, heavy frozen parking lot creek with beautiful ice formations, icicles hanging off of some of the old plants there. And then down here the ice formations are kind of cool. Cool ice formation. Some more cool ice formation.